This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for June 27, 2024. It's currently May 21st, 2024, 9:19 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $531.36, that's USD. The shuffle video for the June 27th reading was created on May 2nd, 2024, 11:37 p.m. Eastern Time. That's the video playing in the lower left corner. So the overall theme of behavior for the 27th, we have a sideways fluctuating, or a sideways S formation within a channel. So we decline from a resistance to support, we reverse off the support, return all the way back to that resistance, reverse off the resistance, and return all the way back to the support, creating a sideways S formation within a channel. Behavior around the highest high, there'll be an unexpected move into the high that'll probably start out as some pretty ugly technical chart behavior. Behavior out around the lowest low, we have a rally into key resistance on a one-day chart scale, followed by a decline from that resistance with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. I'm advised to trade around an unexpected move to the upside. Now, before I get into the timing of the best trades, the highs, the lows, and the hour-by-hour chart behavior, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube Tips. And that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. All right, so in the pre-market, we have a decline that ends with a fast, sudden move higher. It looks like an unexpected move higher, taking us to a high right around the open. We're bound by the upper end of a range at the open. Yeah, we're bound by the upper end of a range at the open, and we decline into a low. We decline into a low there in the first half hour. From that low, there's a rally between roughly 10 and 11 along a diagonal trend line that ends with a fast, sudden move higher and a breakdown through the diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down, taking us into the 11 to 12 o'clock hour where we have the prudence card. Very tricky chart behavior. Usually this is like sideways rotation with a lot of like up and down kind of whipsaw type of stuff. Or it could be multiple false tops, multiple false bottoms. It could be some sort of triggering of an indicator falsely. It looks like it's probably mixed. And then we decline further between roughly 12 and 1, increasing with momentum moving forward in time into a trough just before 1 o'clock, from which we have a rally, or a prominent move higher out of that trough between roughly 1 and 2, a prominent move higher and a full retracement, followed by more rallying into a peak at roughly 3 o'clock, near overbought peak that we sell off from through multiple support levels. And there's multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance in the last hour, as well as an important support level highlighted on a 1-month scale minimum right at the close. There's a crest, an overbought crest that we sell off from into the post-market, and there's also a significant move to the upside in the post-market. So we got some pretty like wild back and forth behavior going on here. So in this fast sudden move higher to a high would open up a short position. You could close the short position probably right at the close. Matter of fact, you would hold it, you wouldn't close it at the close, you would hold it overnight to this ace of disc support level. And the sneak preview for the 28th, we have a brief peak that's easily missed, followed by a decline through multiple support levels. That's SPY for the 27th. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.